We are about to make history.
Ang atong nasunod na presidente, Leni Robredo!
Panalo na natin ang sambayanang Pilipino!
Am I talking to Maria Ressa?
You are?
Maria, I've just been announced as a winner of the Nobel Peace Prize.
How can you have election integrity if you don't have integrity of facts? That's the problem facing my Philippines.
Nanay ako, hindi lang ng 3 anak ko, kundi ng buong bansa.
If Filipinos don't get off their asses, we will descend.
I'm ready to campaign, and that's what we're going to do.
Are you willing to accept interviews about your father's martial law?
Not here and now.
We have to demand better.
Lalaban ako. Lalaban tayo.
Kumaharang pakiresto!
We called it out 6 years ago. It was where it was headed.
Trapo o tropa! Bayan ko! Pumili ka!
Baka pwede na kayong lumapit dito. Madaling makipagdebate, mas radikal ang magmahal. Nasa atin kung tapos na ang laban o kung nagsisimula pa lamang ito.